Going on duty or no?
I don't know.
Mr. Civilian, step outside of the door, please.
Why?
Because I've just asked you to.
Why don't you step outside the door?
Alright, well, if you're going to refuse...
Mate, I fucking work here. Why do you not know what's going on or what? Maybe you should ask people who they are before you tell them to get out.
He sounds famous.
Guys, do you mind moving?
You got your ID on you then?
He's
Are
famous.
you going to ask politely? Or are you going to tell me to get
Please.
out again? There you go, mate.
I'm not seeing it. Thank you.
Hello. Do you mind please moving out of the door? Thank you.
Who is that?
That's an off-duty police officer.
No, this guy in front of me here.
Where? This one.
Who am I talking to?
Hey, do you mind punching me real quick? Get these glasses off.
Oh, I'm in Polito.
Nah, mate.
Oh.
Where are you?
In PD arguing with a cop. Cunt can suck my dick.
In the city?
Get the
Yeah.
glasses.
654. Who the fuck is
Oh,
this?
cool. Yeah, nice.
What's he arguing about?
He told me to get out of the PD when
Hey,
I
Mr.
walked
Willis, I'm
away.
not seeing you the Director of Officers, so...
Who is he?
yeah.
You know what?
I'm not seeing you in the Directory of Officers, so... I'm
Hey,
not
boss,
really sure what to
it's
tell you, but I'm
Ryan.
going to need you to ask you to step outside the door, please.
Mate, I'm a fucking sergeant.
I can't.
Oh, well, good on you, mate. Whatever.
You're special. I love you.
Wait, hold on. Who are you real quick? What's your call sign?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, 0205.
It's 0205. Maybe you should approach people in a better manner before borderline harassing them.
Yeah, well, it's nothing to do with harassment. It's
Well, mate, I
security.
walked through the door and you straight away told me to get out.
You just
You
push
didn't ask-
yourself through, straight through after I've gone through the door,
Oh,
mate.
oh, really? Okay.